Okay, so now let's say the property's in good condition and you just need a landlord. You want somebody that's gonna do a buy and hold. This is the best way for you to find buy and hold. You put absentee owner. You could leave the cash buy. I like to pick on Thai landlord. The property type is already in there. All of this is good. Now, this is for the magic. I like to deal with people that have at least five properties and they have to have some skin in the game. All right. So there you go. Those are my landlords right here. Let's see how much property this guy owned. Yeah, you see how much property he owned? He owned 32 properties. So that's a good cash buyer right here. Well, that's a good landlord. There's another one. Let's see. Okay. That's another good landlord. All right. That's another good landlord. All right. Perfect. All right. So this is how you guys find cash buyers and you find landlords.